Fox is a leading global fashion brand, offering casual fashion wear for men, women, kids and babies of all ages. Fox has started their business in 1942 and continues to do business in more than 19 countries around the world. In the current global sourcing environment, Fox started importing garment products from Bangladesh in 2006. Now, in 2011, a new branch office has been established known as Fox Bangladesh. The Fox Bangladesh office is located in Dhaka, the capital city of Bangladesh. It is situated only 4 kilometers from the Shah Jalal International Airport. Let us visit the office and meet the staff of Fox Bangladesh. Shubhra Bishas, Executive Front Desk.
Hi, I am Shubhra Bishas. I have joined 15 September 2011 as a front desk executive in Fox Bangladesh. I born in 29 September 1987, height 162.56 cm. Fox is a renowned brand in the world of outfit. To build up my career position with the wide global garment sector, I choose Fox Bangladesh.
Muhammad Farooq Mia, Security and Cook. Muhammad Farooq Mia is responsible for the security of the Fox Bangladesh office. He also keeps the Fox team well fed with his excellent culinary skills. Muhammad Baki Billah is one of the new office assistants who joined in August 2011. Baki is 32-year-old. Farooq Subhan also joined this year in September 2011. 26-year-old Farooq has completed secondary education and already has 5 years' experience of working in a professional environment. Our highly skilled office staffs have significant expertise and experience in their areas of work. They are highly motivated and proud to represent Fox Bangladesh. Jewel Bishas, Office Executive. Office Executive Jewel Bishas handles all merchandise equipment and provides important support to all office members. The 26-year-old is specially responsible for making swatches. He has completed higher secondary studies and believes Fox is a good platform from which to launch his career. Abdul Latif Asad, aged 31, joined the team in September 2011. He performs a critical function as the person in charge of product samples. He gives approval of lab dip, fabric color shade, etc., and orders preparation of samples while checking pattern, measurements, and quality of print. Asad already has 6 years' experience in this field of work. Fox applied thousands of colors in one simple garment. They made fashion out of colors. Muhammad Sohrab Hussain, Executive Finance. Muhammad Sohrab Hussain is a member of the finance team at Fox Bangladesh. He is 34 years old and holds an MBA from Rajshahi University. He already has significant experience in handling purchasing, marketing, and accounts of various major industrial organizations in Bangladesh. Sohrab is keen to develop his career here at Fox Bangladesh. Tilka Binte Wali, Executive HR and Administration. Tilka Binte Wali handles all administrative and human resources matters at Fox Bangladesh. She is 24 years old and has completed her undergraduate studies in arts. An accomplished dancer, Tilka is eager to nurture her career in a professional working environment such as Fox Bangladesh and develop her interest in marketing, sales and customer service while also continuing with her dancing. Sultana Jahan, Executive Commercial and Shipping. Sultana Jahan is a senior executive whose responsibilities include documentation and overseas correspondence. 27-year-old Jahan holds an MBA in Innovative Management from UK and has previously worked with a prominent freight forwarding company in Bangladesh as senior executive of CRM. She also has strong computer and language skills in both Bangla and English. In order to maintain consistently high product quality, we have established a team of skilled and experienced merchandisers at Fox Bangladesh. Bahalul Majnoon, Executive Merchandiser. Bahalul Majnoon comes to Fox Bangladesh with 4 years' experience in merchandising, where Fox was one of his sourcing clients. His particular responsibility here is Fox Baby and Men, looking after an order from the start to finish. His tasks include data keeping, sample dispatch, and production follow-up. Aged 30, Bahalul is keen to build his career at Fox Bangladesh. Muhammad Mufizul Islam Munna, Merchandiser. Muhammad Mufizul Islam Munna has 6 years' experience working as a merchandiser and is also skilled in using graphic design software. At Fox Bangladesh, 27-year-old Munna keeps crucial up-to-date records. His tasks include collecting data, monitoring samples, and visiting factories when necessary. Munna also enjoys sports when he is not busy with his work. Muhammad Kamru Zaman, Senior Merchandiser.
Hi, this is MD Kamru Zaman, Senior Merchandiser, Fox Bangladesh. Joined at Fox 1st September 2011. Date of birth 19th October 1972. Height 174 cm. Total working experience in merchandising field 8 years, and want to build up a concrete career in merchandising along with Fox YZL Limited.
Sakhawat Hussain Mukul, Senior Merchandiser. Sakhawat Hussain Mukul is a senior merchandiser who joined Fox Bangladesh in September 2011. Aged 36, Mukul has an undergraduate degree in social sciences and over 10 years' experience in merchandising with well-known companies of Bangladesh. He's a guide and asset to the younger team members, providing important support wherever needed. ATM Muniruzzaman, Manager IT, HR and Administration. ATM Muniruzzaman joined as the Manager of IT, HR and Administration in August 2011. He holds an undergraduate degree in computer science engineering and takes strong interest in computer programming and photography. With over 8 years' experience in working in the professional environment, his skills are an important addition to the team. Muhammad Mahbubur Rahman, Manager Finance.
Hi, it's Muhammad Mahbubur Rahman. I have joined 1st August 2011 as Manager Finance, Fox Bangladesh. I was born in 24th October 1969, height 170 cm. Past working experience is 16 years. I also technical skillness about MS Word, Excel, email, network and internet browsing. To build up my career with the worldwide garment sector, Fox Bangladesh.
At Fox Bangladesh, we have our own laboratory equipped with washing machine, tumble dryer, GSM cater, GSM weight machine, Pantone books, polybag thickness checking machine, barcode scanners and shade light box, all within the office premises. Our knowledgeable quality control department has more than 10 to 12 years accumulated practical experience in the Bangladesh garment sector. Selim Abdullah, QA Officer. Selim Abdullah is senior member of the Quality Assurance team, performs inline inspection, final inspection and factory follow-ups. Aged 31 years and holds an undergraduate degree in social sciences. He brings to Fox Bangladesh over 12 years experience in quality control of garment products. Muhammad Razzaq Hussain Dollar, QA Officer. Muhammad Razzaq Hussain Dollar has 6 years experience in quality control of manufactured garments. Aged 36, Razzaq has an undergraduate degree in arts and takes keen interest in building his career within the professional structure of Fox Bangladesh. Abdul Qadir Bapari, QA Officer. 33-year-old Abdul Qadir Bapari has a degree in commerce and worked for more than 10 years as a quality assurance officer. He is experienced in inline and final inspection according to international AQL standards in giving technical support towards vendors and factories regarding construction and quality. He also has excellent command of written and spoken Bangla and English. Muhammad Aminul Islam, QA Officer. Quality Assurance Officer Muhammad Aminul Islam has also worked in this field for over 5 years. He is 28 years old and holds an undergraduate degree in commerce. Habibur Rahman Firdaus, QA Officer. Habibur Rahman Firdaus brings to Fox Bangladesh more than 10 years working experience in the garment sector in both factory and buying house. Habibur has good knowledge of the international AQL inspection system and factory evaluation production procedures. Aged 35 years, he holds an undergraduate degree in commerce. He completes Fox Bangladesh's quality assurance team, working under the team manager Muhammad
Khalid Himayat. Hi, this is Khalid Himayat. First of all, I want to give thanks to Almighty Allah for everything. My height is 174 cm. I completed MBA in apparel merchandising from VZM University of Fashion and Technology. I joined in Fox Bangladesh on 1st March 2012. I'm lucky to being a part of Fox Bangladesh and Fox team. As a team leader, I believe that integrity, punctuality and patience is the main key to become successful in professional life.
Recently, Fox has started another retail chain, Fox Home. Fox Home has been launched all over the world with a variety of home products including kitchenware, accessories for entertaining, tableware, bathroom accessories, linens, bedding and decorative items. CEO of Fox Bangladesh, Azizul Haq, has almost 2 decades experience in the ready-made garment sector in Bangladesh. He draws on his wealth of practical experience and knowledge in leading the new team forward.
Fox Bangladesh is a liaison office of Foxbd BVI Limited, and it's a casual fashion brand in today's world global market. Fox Bangladesh is their new branch office in Bangladesh, having their activities from 1st of August 2011. Fox actually a brand, and it's a very basic brand. Our main slogan is Fox, basic is beautiful. Our present export volume is about 6.5 million pieces of only knitwear. We are thinking to expand our market in oven and sweater product, and next season 2013, winter 2013, we are about to import 8 million pieces to 10 million pieces of knitwear, 350,000 pieces of oven item, and 700,000 pieces about sweater product, and approximately 250,000 pieces CVC fleece. Altogether, our import target volume is $12 million. This delivery will be started from end of January 2012 to it will be finishing about 30 of April 2013. 12.
Now, Fox is one of the foremost names in fashion, and Fox is the brand for basic clothing. Customers are coming to our shops to get the best daily wardrobe solution for their lifestyles. Fox believes basic is beautiful.